Hi, gonna have a nice cup of coffee and give you an update of my 5%ers account. And a warm welcome to one and all. And for those of you not seen me before, my name is Langers, and I am the overgrown child that is the Scruffy trader. And what I'm doing today is I'm just updating my journals and having a see where I'm up to with the 5%ers. And if you don't know what the 5%ers are, they are a prop firm that will put the money up for a trader to go to market, and then you do a profit split. I'll show you that in just a second. So if that sounds good and you like to see Forex in real time and trading in real time, please click the little subscribe button, smash the like, genuinely helps. So let me pull my screens up and we'll have a little look. So the 5%ers are, as I said, a prop firm that will put money up for a trader to go to market, and that's what they do. And in this case, you kind of buy into it depending on the level that you want. And essentially what the buy-in is, you're just paying out the stop loss up front. Because let's be honest, nobody's going to give you something for nothing. And what you get is instant funding, live account, unlike some other prop firms that make you go through various procedures before they give you any real money. These guys will give you real money straight away. Why? Because you've already paid the stop loss. Very, very simple. And the way it works is if you took the smallest one at $275, which, let's be honest, that's how most people start, very small, they will give you funded capital of $6,000 straight away to trade. And what you need to achieve is a 6% growth, which is 375 over roughly 6 months. And you can trade any way you choose. The only rule is you have a stop loss in place, unless you're going on the aggressive side where you don't need a stop loss, but that is tough. And then once you've achieved your 375, they will up your fund to 24,000. So it's a nice, easy way to get a lot of money. And then on top of that, as you come down onto the growth agendas, you can work your way up to over £1 million funding, and they take all of the risk. Now for me, that seemed pretty good. That's why I kind of put my name to it. And if you want to try it, there is links in the description below. And within that link, you will get 5% cash back. The way it works is open your account, put a trade on, and you'll get 5% paid back to your account. So that's what we're doing. The account that I am trading is currently this one. If I just flip it up, I'll show you where I'm up to. As you can see, my equity curve is pretty good. It's had a couple of blips, but I know exactly what they are. And watch out for a video I'm doing called Money Management, which will be done later today. And it'll kind of explain how to work out your money, because don't be worried about having blips. You cannot go in a flight path straight up all the time. You're going to get caught out sometime. And this particular trading pot started in mid-April, and up to now I've done 583 deals for them. I have a hit rate of 89%, but the bit that you need to pay attention to when you look at a sheet like this is your profit factor. As long as your value is greater than 1, you are profitable. I'm at 3.9, so doing quite well. Kept my position sizes small because my average position size is only 20p. But what's this all got to do with a slice of bread, and what do the numbers mean? Well, I keep a journal, which is this, and this is it in real time. So I started with 13,000. I've currently grown the pot by 5.2%, and I'm sitting with a P&L profit of 670. Now that might take a substantial bash this week. because with the euro dropping heavily on Thursday, it's put some of my swing trades into, let's just say, pretty dangerous territory. And I need to do a little bit of management. So that may well come down this week and then move forward. But I'm prepared for it. And that's the key thing. Be prepared. Now, if I flip it onto the current stats so we can see what's happening this month. I've currently just broken the record on this particular challenge of 15 days clear. I haven't lost a day. I do lose trades. I lose quite a few trades, funny enough, but not in the sense that you think. Very rarely my trades hit a hard stop. I kill trades off when I think they are wrong. And that way, it controls the account, and it also means that I'm in control and not the market. And that's another thing. I like to tell me when I'm wrong, I just have a hard stop as a protection if I am completely wrong, you know, because I'm a big believer in managing your trade. So what does all this look like? Well, this month I've taken 203 trades. I've won 194 of them, giving me a 95% hit rate. I have achieved pips, points, ticks, whatever you want to call them, 1,368 pips. So I'm quite pleased at that. But as I was saying, my pip size, or my bid size rather, is very small. I've been edging it up ever so slightly, and I'm now at 40p a trade. Okay, and that's kind of what this section up here is. And the way it works is, this is the maximum sort of lean I want on the account. So all of my bid sizes total together cannot be more than sort of 1093. I divide that by 5, so that allows me to have multiple trades running at any one time, but also again within the sort of tolerances of the account. And each trade has 5 levels within it, so I break it down further to here. So it's like 36p. And you just round it up to the nearest sort of 10 pence. So at the minute it's 40p. Okay, so that's kind of what all of that means. I targeted myself sort of 0.6 of the account balance. And why is that? It's because for me to achieve the target over 6 months, I have to achieve more than £7 a day. So it started at £7, but as the account's grown, that target grows with it. It's now £8.20 a day. I do considerably more than that, but it's a benchmark, and it's kind of given me a framework to work within. And I know this looks mental, but once you've got your head around the way that you do your journaling, for me it's quite simple. This side up on the top is exactly where I'm at any one time. This section here works out what my bid sizes is going to be. This is my targeting section, and this is the goal section. And then in the middle you've obviously got your rules, and then down here is the trades, and these trades are worked out. It tells me what my maximum stop is, how much lean is going to be on the account, and then obviously I've got my P&Ls and the bid size, and then the change of balance. Very, very simple stuff. And then on the other side, it's what the market was, whether it was an A1 trade, an A2 trade. That just means the quality of the trade, whether I was going long or short, and then the reason why I got into it. Was it bouncing off a fib level? Was it a strong drive? Did it hit a normal level? All of these things. And if I get it wrong, I record all of my trades. I can then play that trade back. I know the reason why I got in and the day I got in, and I can just watch it and see whether I was right, wrong, or indifferent. Because sometimes you can have the best setup in the world and the market has other ideas. It just rattles off the other way. And that's kind of what's happening with my swing trades. And the thing with a swing trade is, a lot of people say they're easier. For me, I find them harder. I like them because they run in the background with little to no management. and they do have a greater intake of pips. The downside is they are unpredictable. Whereas day trading, I've got a pretty fair idea what's going to happen over the next few hours. Swing trading, could I tell you what's going to happen over the next few weeks? No, nobody can. So that's where we are. Just a quick one today, just to show you the figures and where we're up to. I'm nearly there. I'm 73% into the task, and I'm well ahead of schedule. I've got easily another 4 months to achieve this. So even if I make a catastrophic mistake and I go back to square one, and it is possible, you know, you can have a black swan event and suddenly it's like, ooh, that hurt. I have enough time to sort of still achieve what I need to achieve. And that's the thing. This ain't no sprint. It's a marathon. Just take your time. And if you get hit in the nose, don't worry about it. Just know why you got hit in the nose. Was it a stupid mistake? Or was it just something beyond your control? And in that case, was your risk management in place? And if it was, fantastic. And if it wasn't, then it's something you need to address. So just ways of learning the trading game. So I'm just going to leave it there. It was just a very quick one. It's just an update of where I'm at and what I'm doing. Over the course of the next few weeks, I'm doing a breakfast trade most mornings, Tuesday through Friday, so you can see how you can trade before you go to work. And on the 1st of July, I'm going to build up a small account, just so you can see it sort of built from inception a little bit. A little bit like this one. I'm saying the 1st of July. I may well wait till I've finished doing this, because I don't want to be trading my day, a prop firm, and then something else gets a little bit complicated. But we'll see how it goes. But that's the idea. It's certainly something for the summer when I've finished this. And that's it. So keep your comments coming. They help drive the videos. If you're stuck, by all means, contact me and I'll help you with your trading. And if you want to see my trading and the way I do things, then check the links below for the Scruffy Squad, because you'll find a library of trading videos there of exactly how I trade. So with all of that, guys, keep well, and remember, do what you love and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.